Hello students, today we are going to learn about class 8 chapter number 6. This is Geordie's phone multiple choice question. These questions are very important as they are going to help you in your examination. So let us see them. I recommend you to first go through the full chapter, the Geordie's phone, and then go through the MCQs, which will help you to answer the question. If you have revised the chapter, if you have fully understood the chapter, and then you are going to this MCQ part, then this will be good for you. So let us start. Question number 1. Geordie's father was proud of him as he stayed calm in a difficult situation. Option number B, he did not want what was needed to save his father's life. C, he was anxious about the phone. And D, both A and B. So your answer will be option number D, both A and B. जॉडी के जो फादर थे उसको जॉडी पे प्राउड क्यों हुआ उनको जॉडी पे, क्योंकि he stayed calm in a difficult situation and he was so young. Then also he stayed very calm in the difficult situation जब उसके फादर को एक जहरीले सांप ने बाइट कर लिया था. देन ऑल्सो जॉडी वॉज वेरी काम एंड ही डिड वॉट वॉज नीडेड टू सेव हिज फादर्स लाइफ. ओके, so both A and B are correct. Next one, the meaning of the sentence old Death has gone thieving elsewhere is Death has gone in search of another victim. B, Penny has escaped death. C, Death has caught Penny. D, both A and B. The answer will be option number A. That is, Death has gone in search of another victim. Next one, third, Geordie wants to spare the milk for his papa, his mother, the fawn or Millville. The answer will be the fawn. जॉडी ने अपना जो मिल्क है वो किसके लिए बचा के रखा था? फॉन, यानी जो डियर का यंग वन होता है उसे हम फॉन बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, टू सेव पा डैश वॉज यूज्ड. दैट इज पॉइजन फ्रॉम डोज लिवर, एसेंस फ्रॉम डोज हार्ट और पॉइजन फ्रॉम द फॉन्स लिवर, डोज and dose milk. So the right answer will be option number A, poison from dose liver. जो पापा को मतलब जो जॉडी के जो फादर थे उनको सेव करने के लिए क्या यूज़ करा गया था? पॉइजन फ्रॉम डोज लिवर. नेक्स्ट वन, डैश विल हेल्प जॉडी टू आइडेंटिफाई द फॉन. सो क्या आइडेंटिफाई करेगा? इट्स कलर, इट्स लीनियर स्पॉट्स, इट्स थिन फिजिक, इट्स शेप ऑफ माउथ. Okay, so here we have read in the chapter that its linear spots will be used to identify the fawn. Next one, what had threatened Pa's life? His severe illness, poison of doe, snake bite or food poisoning. The answer will be option number C, snake bite. जो snake ने bite करा था उसकी वजह से उसके father की जो health थी वो काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई थी. What will help Geordie to find his way back home in case he got lost in the scrub? Millville's guidance, the tall pine tree, his father's guidance or a compass? So the answer will be what? The tall pine tree. Next one, some buzzards were circling at a place in the scrub to eat meat from a carcass, invite other birds, predating the fawn, both A and C. So the answer will be what? It will be option number A, eat meat from carcass. Okay, carcass means what? It's a dead body. जो बजार्ड्स यानी जो बड़े बड़े बर्ड्स थे वो सर्कल क्यों लगा रहे थे? क्योंकि उनको मीट खाना था डेड बॉडीज में से. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वन, Geordie hoisted the fawn as high as possible under his arm as its legs were surprisingly long. Option number B, lest its legs touch the ground. Option number C, Geordie wanted to carry it on his shoulder. Both A and B. The answer will be D, both A and B. जॉडी जब उसको जंगल में से लेके आ रहा था घर पे फॉन को, तब क्या हुआ? उसके जो लेग्स थे ना वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लंबे थे तो वो उसे संभाल भी नहीं पा रहा था बिकॉज जॉडी वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी यंग एंड उसके जो लेग हैं वो इतने लंबे थे कि वो ग्राउंड को टच हो रहे थे. सो इट वॉज नॉट प्रॉपरली पॉसिबल फॉर जॉडी टू कैरी द फॉन. 10th one, Jody tried to shield the face of the fawn so that it could not see further. He could save it from prickling vines. The fawn did not feel insecure. The fawn would feel the marvel of its acceptance. Okay, the answer will be option number B. He could save it from prickling vines. वो जॉडी क्या कर रहा था, उसके फेस को कवर करने की ट्राई कर रहा था जब जॉडी ने फॉन को कैरी करा था, ताकि जंगल में जो कांटे वगैरह हैं उससे वो उसको बचा पाए. नेक्स्ट वन, when the milk was offered to the fawn at first, A. It drank it happily. B. It accepted it with a lot of resistance. C. It rejected it soon. D. Did not react to it. Fine. It rejected it soon. ठीक है, जब मिल्क उसको ऑफर करा गया फॉन को, हु ऑफर्ड इट, जॉडी ऑफर्ड इट, तो उसने तुरंत उस मिल्क को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशंस ऑफ द फॉन सजेस्ट दैट इट वॉज हैप्पी having the milk. A. It sucked and snorted. It started licking Jodie's hand. It flicked its tail back and forth. It stamped its hoofs impatiently. The answer will be what? Option number C. It flicked its tail back and forth. ठीक है, ये एक्सप्रेशन फॉन ने दिया था जब जॉडी ने उसको मिल्क ऑफर करा, तो फिर वो अपनी जो टेल है उसको आगे पीछे हिलाने लगा. एंड दिस इज़ द साइन ऑफ यू कैन से हैप्पीनेस. एंड उसको जो फॉन है उसको जॉडी भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा था. तभी एनिमल्स जो हैं वो अपनी जो टेल है वो आगे पीछे करते हैं. So this is all about the MCQs. I hope everybody enjoyed it and liked it. In the next video, I'll be bringing up the MCQs of other chapters as well. So if you really enjoyed my video and liked it and understood it properly, please give it a like, share among your friends and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.